Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about Crown Pro eyeshadow palette that I got maybe a couple months ago. I've been using this. I switch up my makeup a lot, so I do this when I want to look as neutral as possible because of the colors that it comes with. So Crown Pro I actually had never heard of before. I was looking around online and I came across the palette and I was interested by the colors. Sometimes it's hard to tell like online by photos what the colors are actually going to look like, but I was really happy once I got them. I felt like the colors looked just like the picture. Crown Pro, I think they've been around for a while. They make some really great like brushes to put on your makeup. I think they have like eyeshadow brushes and they have cheek brushes to put on blush and bronzer and stuff like that. It's just like a normal looking black palette with, I guess that's like a rose, it looks like a rose gold writing. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, so you flip it open. There is the mirror. It has to be, this was the plastic that was on here. I have to clean the mirror up a little bit. It's a little dirty because I've been using it, but it comes with this plastic over it, so it's nice and sealed up. I know a lot of the palettes, this doesn't matter at all really, but I know a lot of the palettes have like the colors and then it'll say the name underneath the color. Like this with Crown, they don't have that, but that's okay. You could kind of get a feel for it. So I'll just go through these with you. They're all highly pigmented. They have 10 shades altogether. 5 are shimmery and 5 are more like a matte, and they're all pretty neutral. So the first one, it's like a white, almost like shimmery color, really pretty. I use that on my, like, I'll use this underneath my eyebrows and then I'll use like the darker shades on my lids and in the crease. I usually do the lightest underneath my eyebrows, darkest in the crease, and then the less middle, I would say, color in my eyelid, which should be like this one. The one thing I will say though is like this, it's a beautiful color. And now it might look like a little bit pink to you, but when I put it on, it comes out more orange, which is a little weird. I really didn't care for the fact that it's orange, so it makes it a little difficult to use some of those colors. So I would say like this first one and the second one are the ones that I use the most. Same with this middle one. I mean, it does have an orangey tint to it, but it also looked more pink to me at least. So I was kind of shocked that it came out a little bit orange. I mean, I have brown eyes, so my eyes are pretty neutral, but I think that this color, like the orangey colors, would look gorgeous on someone with green or blue eyes. I think that would look really pretty. But yeah, with brown eyes, you can pretty much get away with anything. But I think that this will especially look nice on someone with a lighter eye color, blue or green, even hazel. This color too, the same, it's like an orangey brown. Then we have the shimmery color. This one is, it looks like it has some like pink and purple and like brown mixed in there, almost like a mauve color, some red. Very pretty. That's another shimmery. So we have shimmery, this one's matte, shimmery, matte, shimmery. So it kind of seems like it goes by like every other color is shimmery and every other color is matte. I don't know if that was done purposely, but that definitely works and makes life easier. So this one is, it looks like almost a lighter version of the last color. It has like a little bit of pink, mauve, red. They're all like super warm tone colors, and like I said, very neutral. Then we have this one. This is like a nice brown. This is great to use in the crease. Same with this one. This is more brown, and then this one is more like purple or reddish, I would say. Then we have another, like, this is like a dark purple. I don't know if you could tell really in the picture. It looks more brown on the video than I feel like it actually does in real life, but it has more of like a dark purple, so this would really look pretty too. That one's like a matte. And then lastly, we have another shimmery dark brown. Now this one comes out more brown than I feel like any of the other shimmers. This has the most brown in it, and this is my favorite to use in the crease. So I'll use this color on my lid, this one in the crease, and then this one underneath my eyebrows. And the Crown brushes really work the best with this, but you could use really any kind of applicator you feel comfortable with, and they're super great for blending and just really pretty. And I'm definitely happy with the palette, but just keep in mind that they do have like an orangey tint, and It just depends if you like that or not. Now I have like olive tone skin with brown eyes, so for me it's just not what I'm used to. I usually wear like more colors that have like more brown undertones than anything else, so it just takes some getting used to. But I am very, very happy with the palette, and I really do like the colors, and I think they're pretty, and I think it's a great addition to anyone's makeup collection. And the mirror is great because then it's like you can, you know, on the go or whatever, you have a mirror on you to do your makeup and touch up and whatever the case is. So this is Crown Pro makeup palette. I hope that you guys try it. I hope you love it, and I hope you found the video useful. Thanks, guys.